Hello everyone, Namaskar. This is Pooja Jain connecting with you again. In the last video, we had learned all about Vyanjan K, and today in this video, we are going to discuss the second Vyanjan K, right? So let's get started. For K, just try to recall how you make small alphabet X, okay? For that, you are going to make a small arc. Then instead of making a C with this, you just have to make here, then extend the C, right? Make a standing line, then make a C again and a sleeping line on top. This is pronounced as K. And there is one more way of writing K. Both are acceptable. I'm going to tell you, but there is only a slight difference. Like here, we do not extend this line. We do not join it. We simply write this. So, both are acceptable. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can use that one. Let's see the different matras with this Vyanjan K. First one is A. I had already told you that with this swar, we never write the matra, it is only in our pronunciation. Okay, let's see the examples for this matra. Kha, ta, khat. Khat means letter, right? Second example is kha, j, a की मात्रा न, a. I told you not to put matra for this, but this matra is not with kh. These matras are with j and na, and this is the matra for the next a. Here, kha does not have any matra in writing, but yes, with pronunciation, we have this small a, right? Khajana means treasure. Khat means letter. Khajana means treasure. And the next example for this matra is, you can write khargosh also, it's rabbit. You can write khafa also, which means upset. So let's write the common word. Khargosh. It is rabbit. Khargosh, rabbit. Now let's see kha with next matra a. I hope it is visible to you. Let me circle this. First word with this matra is khana. Khana, here khana can be used as noun, that is food, and it can also be used as verb, eating. Okay, noun and verb both, depending on the usage. Next word is khali. Khali means empty. Empty bottle, khali botal. Okay, empty box, khali dibba. And the third example for this matra is khati. Now again, khati can be used as noun and as verb also. Basically, khati means carpenter, right? The person who makes our furniture. Khati means carpenter, and it is also used as verb eating for females. Like माँ खाना खाती हैं. Okay? Now let's go for the next matra, that is E. The first example with this matra is खिलौना. खिलौना. Khilona means toy. Khilona means toy. Next, khilaf. Khilaf. Khilaf means against. Okay? Like you can use my mom is against the junk food. मेरी माँ बाज़ार के खाने के खिलाफ है, जंक फूड के खिलाफ है, right? And the third example for this matra can be khitab. It is not kitab, it is khitab. Khitab means title. Khitab means title. Okay, any title. Next matra is E. Next matra is E. With E, we can take example like kheer. In India, it is a sweet dish. Rice is boiled with milk, okay, and then sugar is added. You can copy the recipe from the net. It is a lovely sweet dish, right? Your parents must be aware of this. Next example is kheera, cucumber. You just have to add a ki matra here to make kheer as kheera. Kheer is sweet dish, kheera is cucumber, right? And next example for this matra is, here is bindi also, kheenchna, that is to pull. Kheenchna means to pull. Okay, let's go to another matra. Small u. U, right? With small u, you can use the words like khud. Khud means self. Khud. This is small u की मात्रा. Like मैं अपना काम खुद कर सकता हूँ. I can do my work on my own. खुद. Okay. Then just adding a की मात्रा to this word, we can make another word, that is khuda. Khuda is for Muslims, and you can use the word God, Bhagwan. There are many synonyms for this. Allah, okay? And the third example with this matra can be khushi, that is happiness. Khushi. खुशी, आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई, आपसे बात करके खुशी हुई, right? Let's see the next matra, and I had to take some scary words with this matra because we have very less words with Vyanjan Kha, so I had to take these words. I know these are some negative words, but nothing can be done. So with this we can take the examples. This is बड़े ऊ की मात्रा, right? खून, खून means blood. Next example, again related to this, it's खूनी. खूनी means murderer. Khuni means murderer, right? Okay. The third example with this is again a difficult one. Khung, bindi is there, right? Khung. Khunkar. Khunkar. Okay, Khunkar means ferocious, right? Scary, ferocious. The next matra is A. Let's take example for this matra. First is khet. Khet means fields where farmer grow crops. Okay. Second example is khel. Again, khel can be used both as noun and as verb. Like हम खेल खेल रहे हैं. The first khel here in the sentence is noun, and the second khel in this sentence is verb. Okay, depending on the usage. And then next example is khed. Khed means sorry. Like in Hindi we say रुकावट के लिए खेद है. That means sorry for the interruption. Okay. Next matra is a. This was A, this is A. So with this the example is khairat. Khairat is basically Urdu word. Here khairat means donation, right? Then next example is khair. Khair has different meaning depending on its usage. Khair means to keep oneself as protected or maybe safe. Khair. Okay. Then next example here with this matra is khani. Khani is kind of tobacco which is very easily available in India. Khani. Okay. Next matra is O. O means, with O we can take the example khol. Khol is a verb which means open, darwaza khol, darwaza kholo, okay, depending on the number of subjects we have, right? For one person we use khol, and for many people we use kholo, right? It is a verb. Next example with this matra is khona. Khona again is a verb that means to lose. Next example is khodna. Khodna means to dig. Again it is a verb. So all the three examples are verb here. Khodna, dig. Okay, let's take the next matra, au. With this matra we can take the example cough, cough means terror. Next example can be khaufnak. Again, khaufnak means creepy, scary. Right? See, I told you earlier also that with this Vyanjan we do not have many words. So I have taken only 2 examples for au. Moving to the next matra, it is ang. With this we can use the example khanjar. Khanjar means weapon. Khanjar. Khanjar means weapon. And the next example is khamba. Khamba means pillar, maybe electric pole or any of the pillar, it is called khamba. And with aha there is hardly any word, right? So again we are through with this Vyanjan. We have discussed all the matras here, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please stay connected. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.